Welcome to this algebra lesson on solving number problems with two variables. In this video, you will learn how to translate word problems into mathematical systems of linear equations. This is a fundamental skill that will make solving complex algebraic problems much easier. You might be used to solving problems with just one variable, like x. However, when a problem involves two unknown quantities, it is often much simpler to assign a unique variable to each one. We typically use x for the first number and y for the second number. This allows us to write two separate equations that describe the relationship between them. Before we start writing equations, we need to know the code. Certain words in English correspond directly to mathematical operations. Sum, increased by, or total means addition. Difference, decreased by, or less than means subtraction. Product, times or twice means multiplication. And quotient or ratio refers to division. Let's look at the most common translations. If a problem says the sum of two numbers is 25, you write x plus y equals 25. If it says the difference of two numbers is 10, you write x minus y equals 10. These direct translations form the backbone of many systems. Sometimes one number is defined by comparing it to the other. For example, one number is 5 more than the other. A bar model helps visualize this. The larger bar, x, is equal to the smaller bar, y, plus that extra 5. So the equation is x equals y plus 5. Multiplication keywords are also very common. If one number is twice the other, we write x equals 2y. If it is 3 times, we write x equals 3y. Sometimes you have combinations, like twice the first added to the second is 20, which becomes 2x plus y equals 20. To solve any word problem effectively, follow these 4 steps. First, define your variables clearly. Second, translate the English sentences into math equations. Third, solve the resulting system using substitution or elimination. And finally, check your answers to ensure they make sense. Let's try a full example. The problem states, the sum of two numbers is 40. Their difference is 12. Find the numbers. We need to find two values that satisfy both of these conditions simultaneously. We break it down sentence by sentence. The sum is 40 becomes x plus y equals 40. The difference is 12 becomes x minus y equals 12. Putting these together gives us a system of equations that is perfectly set up for the elimination method. Here is a slightly different example. One number is 4 times another number. Their sum is 50. Find the numbers. Notice that the first sentence compares the numbers using multiplication. For the first sentence, 1 is 4 times another. We write x equals 4y. For their sum is 50. We write x plus y equals 50. This system is now ready to be solved, likely by substituting 4y in place of x in the second equation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.